This is Anusha. In this video, I would be showcasing how I used the cube function in SQL. The cube is the extension of the group by and is invaluable for multi-dimensional aggregations. This feature allows analysts and developers to easily perform in-depth analysis of data from multiple perspectives. So here we are considering the sales transaction table where I have ID, region, product name, quantity, unit price and cost price. So in the query I am using a cube function. So by querying region, product name, total revenue and total profit, in the group by I have given the region and the product name categories. So this is the output I got. So let's closely observe the output. So here I have for each region I have two products. So if we consider each region, I am getting the copper wire total revenue, total profit and steel rod total revenue and total profit. But apart from that, I am even getting for the east region, I am getting the total revenue and total profit after adding up the two products revenue and profit. For every region, this is how I am getting the values after adding up the total revenue of the products under that region. And notice at down, am also getting for each product name also I am getting the total irrespective of the regions. I mean for each copperware I am getting the total for all the three regions. And then finally I am getting the grand total of all the region and the products total revenue and total profit. So here what is happening is in group by whatever categories we are given. So in the region and the product name, individual breakdown is coming, then the regional subtotals are coming and the product name subtotals are coming, and at the end I am getting the grand total. So it is giving the all possible combinations of aggregations. I have previously used a roll-up function. So I want to check how it is different from the roll-up function. So roll-up function creates hierarchical summaries, whereas cube creates all possible combinations of aggregations. Here the grouping levels is n plus 1. So here n is the number of categories we are using in the cube function. Like here in the cube function I am using 2 categories. So here n will be 2. So in the roll-up it is grouping level is n plus 1. In cube it is grouping level is 2 power n. That is 2 to the power of n equal to 2 in this case, that is 4. So let's see how 4 levels of grouping has come. First we will get the individual breakdown, that is one level. Then we are getting the subtotals of the region, other level, and the subtotals of product name, that is a grouping, and then the grand total. That is how the grouping levels work. So the roll-up is used to drill down reports like region, product, total, whereas the cube is used for cross-tab summaries for region, products and all possible combinations or aggregations. So here to see clear distinction, I tried roll-up and cube output side by side. So here I have used roll-up, and you can see for each region you are getting the individual breakdown as well as you are getting the regional subtotals, and then you are getting grand total. But when I used cube function, yes, we are getting the same individual breakdown for product name. We are getting the regional subtotals, but at the end, it is also the cube is also giving for each product name also subtotals for total revenue and total profit by combining all the regions we have given, and then at the end it is giving the grand totals. So let's consider another example. So here this is my sales summary table where again I have a region, category, quarter and revenue. Here in this example I am considering 3 categories and see how cube is giving the output. So here I have used these 3 categories and try to calculate the total revenue for with respect to region, category and quarter. So let's see the output. This is the output. So for region, these are the categories, quarters and the total revenue. So notice we have two regions, and in each region for north I have electronics. So it is giving electronics breakdown for quarter 1, and then electronics breakdown for quarter 2. Then again it is giving the quarter 1, quarter 2 totals. And in the same time, in the north region again I have furniture. So it is there only for quarter 1. So it is giving for furniture, as well as it is only there for quarter 1. So its subtotal is also the same. In the same way it is giving south, so it is almost giving all possible combinations. And at the end you can see after regional subtotals are over, it is giving individual categorical subtotals for quarter, and then it is giving electronics total or categorical total for by adding both the quarters. And then at the end it is giving quarters total, like quarter 1 and quarter 2 individually, and then at the end it is giving the grand total. So it is giving the regional, category and quarters breakdown of total revenue individually. Then it is giving the subtotal of the category, then region, then quarter, and the finally grand total. So it is giving all the possible combinations of aggregations. So when you want to quickly see the data and you want to see the aggregations as well, that time cube is a very straightforward function. It's only that we need to get the how to interpret output.